To create a new WhatsApp group without adding contacts, here's how to do it. From your WhatsApp homepage, just tap on this plus icon and here tap on New Group. And now we have to add at least one numbers or one users to create a new group. In this situation, we will add ourselves in the group. So tap on this search icon and here you have to write your own WhatsApp number. And here you will find your WhatsApp. Just select your WhatsApp and just tap on next and give your group name and tap on done. And here, as you can see, my group successfully created. Now I'm tapping on the group name and scrolling down. And here, as you can see, only one member is added into this group and this is my own account. So I'm going back to my account settings. And here, as you can see, this is my account.